Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change app colors on iOS 18. To change app colors on iOS 18 is super easy. Simply go ahead and get through your app drawer. Long press on an empty area of your home screen until the icons starts to jiggle. Now click on the edit button popping up at the top left corner, and in the pop-up click on Customize. You can choose between automatic, dark, or tinted modes for your icons. To change your color, simply click on Tinted at the bottom right, and then use the color slider option and pick the color of your icon you want to change to. Right after you do that, you will be able to change the color of your app icons. The tinted color will be applied based on a prominent color from your wallpaper. You can also use the color picker option on the top right in the pop-up and choose the color you want for your applications. After you customize the color, you can now get back, and as you can see that you have successfully changed the color of your apps. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.